Hello, my dear students. Welcome to week 4. This week we'll discuss basic technical language used at workplace. So first we should know what is technical language. Technical language refers to the skills or terminologies that are typically best understood by people who are specialized in that field or area. It involves using special words to discuss the details of a specialized activity. For example, if we say Kiva, what will you understand? It means to heal someone. But for kitchen, we can say for cookery terms, it is to preserve meats by drying and salting or by smoking. Okay, another word, dust. For us, dust means dirt particles, eh? But for kitchen or for cookery term, it is to sprinkle food with dry ingredients. So in particular field, in particular area, people use their own technical words. Jargons. Jargons at workplace. Jargons are special words and phrases that are used by particular groups of people, especially in their work, such as military, law, or computing. Benefits of jargon. It helps create a sense of community. It's unavoidable that different fields have their own lingo. Musicians play jigs, reporters work beats, teachers have preps. This language develops a sense of community among those in the same profession. So people in same field they use jargons. This lingo helps us to condense big ideas too. Sometimes lingo is a shortcut that makes things easier to understand. There are certain times where jargon talk makes sense, but it should not be overused. Remember, you should not overuse jargons. Problems of jargon. Workplace jargon confuses and alienates employees while reducing productivity. It makes communication difficult with people in other professions. As I have discussed earlier, what is technical language? So it refers to skills or terminologies that are typically best understood by people who specialize in that area or field. It involves using specialized or special words to describe the details of a specialized activity. Internet and technical language. How has the internet and technology changed and influenced the English language? The English language has changed many times throughout the years, but it hasn't changed without the internet. Without internet, you cannot change many things. The internet has allowed us to shorten our phrases and terminology, which makes it okay for society to use this shortened type of speech more regularly rather than speaking in full sentence. abbreviation or typing in full sentence. For example, lol. What do you understand by lol? Lots of laughter. So people have shortened it. Negative effect of internet on language. Internet languages are designed to be used easily without concerning grammars. It will cause grammar error where students would not recognize at all. Nowadays, we see, we face that in students have grammatical errors, and this is because of internet, effect of internet, using shortcut. They have shortened the words of the sentence. It mostly uses a short form of sentence or phrases which are easily created and used. When these languages are used in real life communication, it causes serious problems on proper communication.